Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today now we are going to make a paper board using this one A4 size sheet. So let's get started. Friends, our task is very simple. What you need to do is first take this paper, fold from one side like this, just fold how I am folding, and then again give it one more fold how I am giving it over here. See, it's very simple. And now the next step is very easy. This part and this part plays a very important role. So now it's very simple. From this end, you need to fold it like this, and from the other end also you need to fold it. And now this from this bottom part, you need to take one part up. All right, one part up. Keep it like this, and then flip this thing, and then keep it this corner point, keep it over here. Do the same for the other side over here. And now this part, once just keep it over here like this. Have you done it? Even once you're done, comment below. And now, how we did in the previous one for this side, we need to do the exactly same for the back side. So this side, this point again, we need to keep it over here, fold it, and fold it over here too, like this. You're done with the folding. Now it's very easy. Now this part which we had tucked over here inside, we don't need to now tuck that. That was only for once. We need to now tuck it inside over here, inside, like I'm tucking over here. And now do the same for this side too. It's done now. It'll be like this. And now from this bottom part, you need to fold it like this, and then just fold it upside like this. Hope you are able to see and hope it's clear. It should be like this. And now do the same for the other side. So this side is like this open, so you need to fold this thing over here like this. Then we need to take this part over here, it's empty, so you need to fold it like this. And now flip, open it like this, and this one over here, do some adjustments, fold it like this, and our paper board is ready. La 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 la. Mhm. So bye friends, I hope you liked my today's video. And yeah, I just hope you like my video, and hope this can help you in anything you want to play with a board, or do anything you want to do with a board. So I hope you like this video. So please give this video a big thumbs up, and please share your love with me. So just subscribe, click on the red button below. It's just a simple thing. Just click. It's a very simple thing. Just click.